In the Charter of Rights in Canada, there is something called the notwithstanding clause, and it's becoming a hot topic right now, especially in Alberta. I'll use an analogy of when you're playing a game of Monopoly with your family for 14 hours. There's a set of rules, and the rules are typically always followed. Sometimes, if you want to make the game more interesting, you may adapt a rule here and there, make a few small changes. That is very similar to a notwithstanding clause. Okay, there's the ability to make that change in order to benefit the players or change the game and make it more interesting. That's kind of the same thing. Now, let's talk about notwithstanding when it comes to lending. Now, as you likely are aware, banks and lenders have very strict credit criteria and very strict rules around how they lend their money. Now, that doesn't mean that it's always a hard and fast rule. Sometimes they will stretch things if they see that the business or the borrower is a viable company and deserves financing. So when we work with our lender partners and when we work with our borrowers, we try to make that story fit as best we can for the lender. And we want to make sure that we push that story, and we want to make sure that the lender sees the merit in that business and has no problem, sort of pulling out that notwithstanding clause out of their hat and using it in order to finance your business. So when we work with our clients, we push that really, really hard. And when we work with our lenders, we try to get them to utilize their own notwithstanding clause so that they can then partner with these business borrowers. So working with us means that there are a lot more options, and it means that we'll fight to get the lenders to use their notwithstanding.